MarketKit Honest Review. Your autoresponder is about to get banned without this. Brand new, Google-approved email marketing technology. Get higher opens and damp click rate by keeping your list clean, detecting disposable emails, blacklisted emails, bounces, spam traps, fake and abused emails in just a few clicks. Verify limitless emails for you and damp your subscribers with just the click of a button. Create fresh stunning emails to your list and damp increase open rates. Create and damp send amazing articles with your emails and damp get subscribers hooked. Battle-tested technology that's trusted by top Fortune 500 companies. Get higher click-through rates and damp increased commissions from your email marketing campaigns. Reduce bounce rates and damp boost sender reputation like a pro. Start driving real results like you always wanted with no tech hassles. Pay once, profit forever without any restrictions. Limited time commercial license included to provide top-notch services. Limitless growth possibilities for beginners and damp experienced users from one platform. MarketKit works smartly with top autoresponders like commercial license included only when you act now. Grab this deal now to save $80. Usually $99 month. Today only one time $19. Click here to grab MarketKit. For first 50 buyers only, unlimited autoresponder included to send limitless verified spam-free emails. Hurry! The price shoots up every 60 minutes. It's now or never. So be ready to pay more later. Warning. Your autoresponder is about to get banned without this. It's not us. Even the official statistics reveal the same as around 14.5 billion spam mails reach inboxes each day, accounting for a shocking 45% of all the emails sent daily. So, despite the use of multiple anti-spam applications, there are tons of spam mails getting delivered to your subscribers' inbox. As a result, you're forced to bank upon invalid or non-existent leads and damp send them mails and ultimately, your autoresponder gets banned without any fault at your end. But here's some good news for ya. In the next few minutes, we'll lift the curtains from a never-seen-before technology that top marketers use to prevent their mails from going into spam folder. So, would you like to break open the list verification code? As per trusted industry sources, more than 78% business owners face the problem of sending emails to bad lists or invalid subscriber addresses that ultimately lands up in spam folder, forcing their subscribers to stop reading emails, mark them as spam or even unsubscribe from their list. It's no secret that the older your database is, the more chances you have of carrying dead weight on your shoulders. As a result, the autoresponders you're using may get banned and that precisely could lead to death of their email marketing campaigns. So, would you like to get your hands on a battle-tested technology that's designed from the grounds keeping every success-hungry email marketer in mind? And damp helps to remove bad emails from their email list and damp ultimately make more from their email marketing campaigns? Hear what some happy users say about MarketKit. While testing MarketKit, our beta testers got real results. In just 14 days of smart work. Even you can make real commissions like these every day. Using this new dawn in email marketing industry. See for yourself the huge difference in bounce rates for beta testers using MarketKit. With MarketKit. Without MarketKit. Here's what MarketKit helps you achieve with zero fuss. Reduce bounce rates. Eliminate hard bounces. Reduce spam complaints. Get better inbox delivery. Boost engagement rates. Remove non-existing email account. Boost your sender reputation. Get higher ROI from email marketing. Say goodbye to expensive monthly charging list verification services today. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why is email list verification must for your business? It's not just necessary. It's compulsory for every business owner today. And why should you pay serious attention? Because email list is the most valuable marketing asset for every business owner. It's one of the greatest assets for your entire digital marketing program is a database full of fresh, accurate and active email addresses. The problem, however, is that email addresses, while valuable, are not perfect to the extent they are expected to be. If you don't take proper care of it, you'll lose the advantage email gives you over other marketing channels in the long run. So, it's crystal clear that email list verification is the only way to save your autoresponder from getting banned and damp. Outlast the competition for 2022 and damp beyond. Here's the biggest reality. The money is not in having a list, but in sending emails to valid addresses in your list. You can have a huge list of 1,000,000 subscribers and still sit with your head in hands as you can't get real commissions from your list. Whereas the business owners who use the right list verification tools can make 2-3x even with a small list of 10,000 subscribers as they're targeting real people unlike you who may be sending emails to the dead. Just pause for a minute and damp. See what the world's top marketers are doing these days. Well, they're all cashing in on the latest email marketing trend and damp, making the most of it for boosting their sales and damp profits by reaching out to hordes of globally scattered customers. Now, the choice is in your hands. Be the best or get counted amongst the millions. Take my word. There's no rocket science, it's as easy as a pie. If you don't take action now, then be ready to see your competition dominate and damp. Watch them jealously grow leaps and damp bounds in the years to come. The reason for that is very simple: by removing bad or dead emails from your list, there are increased chances of preventing your autoresponders from getting banned and damp, boosting email marketing profits in the long run.